Hi friends, today we are going to be looking at how to use Adobe Spark on a laptop, desktop, or Chromebook. We are going to do a Google search for Adobe Spark, click on adobe.com, we're going to click on here, and then we will be able to see the sign in button up here in the top right. When we click on sign in, we are going to make sure that we use our teacher and student account by clicking on login with a school account. From here, we are able to continue with Google, and we want to make sure that we are using our @pdsb.net account. We do not use our personal Google account, we use our @pdsb.net account. Today we are going to be looking at creating a video. So we click on the plus sign and we are going to be looking for video. So when we click on video, this is the area where we can create a video all about baking, for example. I can click on next and I can choose what type of a template I'd like to use, or I can make up my own and start from scratch. Perhaps I want to do, a show and tell video. I'm going to click on show and tell, pick this one. From here, I am able to title my work, my video, and I'm also able to watch some quick tips or just say, okay, I'm ready. From this screen, we are able to choose if we want to embed a video, some text, a photo, or an image. So here we are on slide number 1. Here's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and onwards. If you would like to have fewer slides, simply click on these 3 dots and duplicate or delete. So yes, delete. 3 dots, delete, duplicate, or play from here. Duplicate just means to copy. So I'm going to delete that slide. This first one, I'm going to put some text. My baking adventure. For example, I can click on this plus sign and I can add a photo. I can upload photos, or I can take a photo, or I can find free photos. I'm going to type in baking, and I'm going to find these chocolate cupcakes, and now I am ready to move on to my next slide. I click on my next slide, and I am able to again add video, text, photo, or an icon. I'm going to click on photo, and I'm going to find something else that perhaps I baked. Perhaps I've done a unit about bread making. I'm also able to add sound to each of the different slides in my video. So to start, I come back to this one. I'm going to click and hold the microphone to record sound. This is my portfolio about my baking adventure. I can press play. This is my portfolio about my baking adventure. I can then move to my next slide. My first unit was about baking bread. And I can listen to this slide. My first unit was about baking bread. Or I could listen to the entire video down here below. My portfolio about my baking adventure. My first unit was about baking bread. If I want to go back, I just click on the X and I'm back to my screen where I can edit. Up here in the top right, I can click on music, and instead of Sunlit Valley that you were just hearing, perhaps I want to hear something else. So let's see if this one, let's see what this sounds like. It's adding the music. This is my portfolio about my baking adventure. So you can hear that music. I wonder what Cup of Sugar sounds like. So right now you can see that it's adding Cup of Sugar. This is my portfolio about my baking. So I like that one. So from here, I can repeat the process for all of my different slides, and then I'm able to download and I'm able to save my video. I'm also able to click on the up arrow